Hi everyone, today I want to share a flip through of my October daily. It's half of the month and I finished until yesterday, so I wanted to share half of the album with you. I'm still learning, I'm not quite pleased with all the pages, but at least I documented our daily life in the month of October. So yeah, let us get started. I still have my pocket here and I do have my little journal, and I write down all the things we do every day so I can keep track of it. And once my October daily is finished, I will put it here in this pocket. We do have some kittens, these two bad boys, and I am really in love with them. So I made quite a few pictures throughout this album, and we do have them for 3 weeks now. And let me take out the card so I can show you what I did. I have a tag behind the photo and it's from the collection, and I did my journaling on the back. I'm not going to take out all the cards, but when I want to show you something I will. This is the second day of October. My oldest son had a haircut and I visited him. He was really proud. He immediately came to me when he saw me to show me his new hair, and I did some journaling about it. And here is my shaker pocket, and I got my glasses today, my very first ones, and they are not reading glasses. I have to wear them all day long, but I do have a lot less headache, so I think they're working. And here I have another picture of the two bad boys that we have, and they are called Buddy and Gabber, and Gabber is Dutch for buddy, so they actually do have the same name but in a different language. And this is day 4 in October. I did my journaling with a gold Sharpie, and this is my daughter's friend. She was going to have her birthday next day, so we already ate a piece of cake. And this is my son, and he met the kittens for the first time, so I really wanted to take a picture of that. We went to the zoo on the 5th of October to celebrate her birthday. Oh yeah, it's focusing. And I do have some ephemera here in this envelope that I created. I have some receipts from the zoo. We went to Artis in Amsterdam, so I kept all the tickets in here. And here are the first pictures. We were in the car, my friend and both of our kids are mentally disabled. They are friends for the longest time and went to school together, so we are really good friends, and we wanted to go to the zoo with them. And here's the entrance of Artis, but it's really hard to tell. And I did my journaling right here. And here are some more pictures. And some more journaling. And I really love this picture. I don't like to make selfies. I don't know why, but I really like to take the pictures in general. But I took a picture of my son and I really love how it turned out. So I'm really happy that I took this picture, because I don't have many pictures of my children and I. And here we are walking through the park. This is the parking ticket. And some more pictures. I'm sorry, I'm trying to avoid the glare as best as I can. Here we had a lunch break. And let me see. Here are some more pictures. We had our dinner at Burger King, and they both purchased something in the souvenir shop and they were really happy. So I journaled about that, and yeah, we had a really great time. This is a journaling card from the collection. I really like it, so I kept it the way it was. And on here I have some journaling about Saturday. We celebrated her birthday, and her mom has her birthday on the 4th of October, and her daughter on the 5th. So on Saturday the 6th we celebrated both of their birthdays, and I do have some journaling right here on this card. And here's where she met our kitten Buddy for the first time, and it was love at first sight. And here we have some pictures of the dinner we had together. It was really nice, and this was on a Sunday. It was a lazy day, and I just took some pictures. Here's my oldest son with the 2 kittens in the background, and here's my youngest one on his PlayStation. He loves to do that, so I had to take a picture of that as well. Here I have my journaling. It was on a Monday, and it was such a nice day. We have some beautiful weather over here, and I searched a YouTube video with birds to entertain my cat, and he really loved it, so we had a lot of fun, and I journaled about it as well on my card. And on Tuesday we had to go to the vets, and they were having their first injection, and it was so, I really felt sorry for the 2 kittens. They were screaming all the time, but it has to be done, so I journaled about that as well. And here they like to be on the couch with my youngest son as well, and they like to play with his cable, and he doesn't like it, so I really had to take a picture of that as well. And I journaled about it right here. And this was at my work, and when I came home from work they immediately had to sit on my lap. I'm sorry, I hope it shows. So, and here are these 2 bad boys again, and this is just a journaling card, and I made this tab with my tab punch from We Are Memory Keepers. And here is where my glasses were actually ready to pick up, so I went there, and this is the first time that I'm wearing them. I still have to get used to it, but it is what it is. On a Friday night I went to dinner with my friend, and we really had a nice time. So I don't really like this page because I don't like the layout, but I want to keep the receipts and everything, but I don't really like how this turned out. But at least I documented it, and I know we had a lot of fun, so that's what I will remember. I will take this page out. This was on a Saturday, and my husband watched a soccer game, and one of the kittens tried to catch the ball, so I had to take a picture of that. And then we watched some Netflix, and I have my journaling on this tag behind the pictures. I really love this image, so I didn't want to cover him up. And on the back side I have my journaling right here. Let me put this one back. And this was last Sunday. I really wanted to do my nails, but I didn't really get a chance because he grabbed it all the time, so I thought it was funny, so I had to document that as well. And later on we went for a hike with some friends of ours, so I do have quite some pictures here. It was a beautiful day again, such a lovely weather. And this is my friend's dog Gizmo, and she took a picture of us together. And here is my husband with Gizmo, and this is my friend's son, and some journaling. And here is a paper bag. I didn't put anything inside yet, but I do have some more pictures of that Sunday walk or hike. So oh, let me put it back first. This was last Monday. I came home, and the kittens immediately jumped on my lap and watched my iPad. They really love to do that, so my husband took some pictures. And this one is from yesterday. My friend has a garden and we went there together to make it ready for winter. So we did a lot of work over there. It was such a lovely weather. And I do have a tag right here for my journaling. And oops, on the back side I have another picture. The same day I wanted to take a picture of my friend taking a picture from her garden. And I really love this journaling card from the collection. So yeah, this is what I have so far, and yeah, like I mentioned, I still have to learn a lot. I don't really like every page, but I'm really happy that I was able to document our daily life, and I really had a lot of fun. So I hope that I will be able to share process videos on some of the upcoming pages. And yeah, I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you are all having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.